top 12 things to know before the market opens. The Indian stock market is likely to witness a positive opening as trends on SGX Nifty indicate a positive opening for the index in India with a 46 points gain. The BSE Sensex rose 272.21 points to 48,949.76 on May 6 while the Nifty 50 jumped 106.90 points to 14,724.80. According to pivot charts, the key support levels for the Nifty are placed at 14,642.9, followed by 14,561. If the index moves up, the key resistance levels to watch out for will be 14,775.3 and 14,825.8. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at a record high on Thursday, bolstered by an upbeat weekly jobless claims report, while vaccine makers dipped after U.S. President Joe Biden backed plans to waive patents on COVID-19 shots. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.93% to end at 34,548.53 points, while the S&P 500 gained 0.82% to 4,201.62. The Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.37% to 13,632.84. Asian markets. Asian markets were mixed on Friday with Japan's Nikkei 225 shedding 0.29% while the Topix index traded near flat. Kospi rose 0.15% while in Australia, the benchmark ASX 200 traded fractionally higher. SGX Nifty. Trends on SGX Nifty indicate a positive opening for the index in India with a 46 points gain. The Nifty futures were trading at 14,843 on the Singaporean exchange around 7:30 hours IST. IMF to revisit growth forecast for India due to surge in COVID-19 cases, spokesman. The International Monetary Fund said on Thursday the recent jump in COVID-19 cases in India posed downside risks to the fund's April forecast for 12.5% growth in India's economic output in fiscal years 2021 and 2022. The IMF will revisit that forecast when it issued a fresh World Economic Outlook in July, IMF spokesman Jerry Rice told reporters at a regular briefing, but gave no further details. Labor market strength was reinforced by other data on Thursday showing U.S.-based employers in April announced the fewest job cuts in nearly 21 years. The reports added to other upbeat employment data in suggesting that the economy enjoyed another blockbuster month of job growth in April. Indian pharma companies welcome patent waivers on COVID vaccines, says tech transfer needed to scale up. The Indian pharma industry welcomed the decision by the U.S. government to support the temporary waiver of trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, TRIPS, on COVID-19 vaccines. The industry said along with patent waivers, it is important to push for more licensing and tech transfer arrangements to expand production of COVID-19 vaccines.